Hello, students, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. And yes, one thing I would want to tell you all is I know this is an English class, but since I know there are students who might have difficulty in understanding in if I just teach in thorough English, I know they will face problems. So I'm also using our mother tongue, which is Nepali, for explanation. So that is why this video is going to be bilingual, both in English and Nepali. This is just to help out every excuse me, every students, and to reach out to help the students understand the English lessons in a better way. All right. So, this is the third part of your chapter Unidentified Flying Object. I hope you've understood and you have gone through the previous videos. I've made these videos with so much of love, dear students. So, please go through these videos and also share these videos with your friends. Okay, so let's start with the paragraph number 8. We are in page number 72. Please keep your English books in front of you. So let's start. I'll just read it out. This incident took place. Okay, so let me give you all a recap of what we did in the previous parts. हामीले के भनेको थियो आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यु अल वाट इज युएफओ होइन एक्स्ट्राटेरेस्ट्रियल हुन्छ युएफओहरूको साइटिङ्सको बारेमा इट्स अ भेरी सर्ट च्याप्टर एक्चुली सो यसमा बुझ्नुपर्ने चाहिँ के हो भने युएफओजहरू भनेको के हो होइन एलियन्सहरूको बारेमा हामीले वी हेभ सिन इन मुभिज राइट इन कार्टुन्सहरूमा पनि देखाउँछ युएफओज वाइ दे सो इज द्याट देयर आर साइटिङ्स होइन युएफओजहरू मान्छेहरूले देखेको छ साइट गरेको छ इट्स जस्ट द्याट वी डु नट ह्याभ कन्क्रिट एभिडेन्सेस फर द एक्जिस्टेन्स अफ एलियन्स ओके कन्क्रिट हामीले भन्नु चाहिँ सक्दैन कि यस्तो मान्छेहरू रहेछ यहाँ बस्दै रहेछ एन्ड दे कम फ्रम दिस प्लेस इन आउटर स्पेस वी क्यानट say it concretely, but there have been evidences, I mean sightings. People have seen such things, okay, and they have reported it to scientists who are continuously, they all are researching about this UFOs, okay. So हामीले त्यही गरेको थियो हैन and अब चाहिँ we'll start with paragraph number 8. So this incident took place outside Caracas in Venezuela on November 28, 1954. Two truck drivers, Gustavo Gonzalez and Jos Pons, were driving at 2 o'clock in the morning when suddenly their truck was blocked by a shining sphere. About 9 feet in diameter and hovering some 6 feet above the roadway, Gonzalez got down to investigate when he was attacked by a hairy dwarf with glowing eyes. Surprisingly, when Gonzalez struggled with the creature, he was found it was very light but remarkably strong and threw him some 15 feet away. Gonzalez then plunged forward and stabbed it, but the knife slipped off the body, which seemed to be made of steel. Another similar creature came from behind and blinded Gonzalez with a dazzling tube. Okay, so दुईटा एभिडेन्सेस हामीले देखेको थियो नि हैन यहाँनिर के भनेको थियो पिपल ह्याभ सीन साइटिङ्स पिपल ह्याभ सीन युएफओज इट्स नट लाइक मान्छेले त्यसै हावा बिचामै भनेको हो पिपल ह्याभ सीन साइटिङ्स सो हियर आर टु एभिडेन्सेस वेन पिपल ह्याभ सीन युएफओज ओके सो वान इन्सिडेन्ट टुक प्लेस देयर वाज अ प्लेस विच इज कल्ड क्याराकास इन द कन्ट्री कल्ड भेनेजुएला November 28, 1954 मा भएको थियो यो इन्सिडेन्ट दुईटा ट्रक ड्राइभर देयर नेम्स वर गस्तावो एन्ड जोस पोन्स they were driving at 2 o'clock in the morning. Imagine 2 o'clock in the morning they were driving their truck when they were blocked by, okay, when they were driving agariबाट चाहिँ there was something which blocked their way, okay, and about 9 feet in diameter. It was diameter means this round because it was a sphere, so यो डल्लैलाई चाहिँ okay, so this is your diameter, okay, so and it was 9 feet in diameter and it was hovering some 6 feet above the roadway, okay. Suppose यो रोड भयो यसको 6 feet माथि चाहिँ it was hovering अघि मैले भनेको थिएँ नट अघि पहिलाको पार्टमा मैले भनेको थिएँ हभरिङ भनेको के हो ओके एउटै प्लेसमा यसरी मुभ भइरहनु एउटा युएफओ स्फियर इन शेप हभर गरिरहेको छ 6 फिट माथि यसरी देखेछ अरे त्यहाँदेखि गोन्जालेस गट डाउन अब ओभियसली the truck drivers would have become very inquisitive हैन अन्त so out of curiosity के चाहिँ हो भनेर they got down from their truck and then they went towards it okay and then he saw one then he was attacked by a hairy dwarf we all know what is a dwarf right where was like there are some creatures okay they are very short in height okay they are made like that only so they are called dwarfs okay and they are hairy okay so सानो पुर्के एउटा dwarf with fully hairy means like body डल्लै कपाल hair थियो and its eyes were glowing okay आँखा बलिरहेको थियो त्यस्तो खालके एउटा क्रिचरले अब we cannot अब हाम्रो अगाडि पनि हामीले त्यस्तो देख्यो भने अब के हो त्यो हैन we will also be very confused so obviously त्यो truck driver पनि he became very inquisitive right curious भयो ओ के हो भनेर हेर्नु गयो अगाडि then he was attacked by the hairy dwarf त्यस्तो खालके क्रिचर चाहिँ त्यो युएफओ बाट निस्के अरे त्यहाँदेखि गोन्जालेस struggled with the creature okay but अब इत्रु थियो हेर्दा त्यो ड्वार्फ थियो इट वाज भेरी शॉर्ट इन हाइट अल्सो ओके अन्त बट के गर्यो त्यो ड्वार्फले चाहिँ सानो त थियो बट इट वाज भेरी स्ट्रङ इट थ्रु गोन्जालेस उले चाहिँ गोन्जालेसलाई चाहिँ पर 15 फिट अवे फ्याँकिदिए अरे लडाइदिए अरे हैन त्यहाँदेखि व्हेन गोन्जालेस गट अप ओके अब यसलाई चाहिँ म मार्छु भनेर छुरी निकालेर ही ट्राइड टु स्ट्याब इट ओके स्ट्याब द क्रिचर बट स्टिल द नाइफ जस्ट स्लिप्ड चिप्लेस अरे बिकज द बडी वाज मेड आउट अफ स्टील ओके इट माइट नट बी द बडी बट अब त्यो ड्वार्फले केही चिज बाहिरबाट लगाएको पनि हुनसक्छ लाइक एन आर्मर हैन विच वाज मेड आउट अफ स्टील अब बडी त स्टीलको त थियो त्यो त भन्नु सक्दैन बट इट माइट ह्याभ वर्न समथिङ विच वाज मेड आउट अफ स्टील ओके सो जब स्ट्याब गर्नु खोज्यो त्यति बेला चाहिँ त्यो नाइफ चिप्लेछ अरे सो paragraph number 9 two more were seen by pawns collecting soil and dirt and then jumping lightly into the object through a small opening at the side nervous in seeing all this pawns ran to the nearest railway station and when he was somewhere in the middle of the story Gonzales arrived thoroughly exhausted and frightened Gonzales had a deep long scar on his side okay so Gonzales ले चाहिँ लाई एउटा ड्वार्फले अट्याक गर्यो उले त्यसलाई स्ट्याब गर्नु खोज्यो अन्त अर्को उसको साथी थियो उसको नाम थियो जोस पॉन्स okay so I mean there was just not only one alien it was there were I think there were many couple of aliens like 4-5 वटा त थियो होला अन्त because Joss also saw two of the aliens they were picking up soil हाम्रो जुन चाहिँ soil छ हाम्रो माटो छ त्यो चाहिँ उनीहरुले कलेक्ट गरेर किन उनीहरुले कलेक्ट गर्दै थियो maybe they wanted to study what kind of soil we have on earth okay so what kind of minerals do we have like how we send our spaceships like satellites haru पठाउँछ हामीले moon तिर study गर्नुको लागि त्यसरी नै they also came to earth to study what kind of soil do we have त्यही कारण चाहिँ दुईटा एलियन्सहरुले चाहिँ सोइल टिप्दै थिए रे त्यो चाहिँ जसले देखेछ अरे हैन देन बोथ अफ देम वर भेरी नर्भस एन्ड जस चाहिँ के गरे ही ran towards the nearest railway station मा चाहिँ कुद्दै कुद्दै गएर because he wanted to report it so when he reached and when he was narrating his story to the railway station to the people who were there in the railway station what happened Gonzales also arrived कुद्दै कुद्दै आइपुगेछ अरे त्यति बेला and he had a deep long scar on his side उसको साइड मा चाहिँ एउटा लामो स्कार थियो अरे maybe the dwarf attacked him okay so moving on to the next paragraph which is paragraph number 10 the two were kept in hospital under heavy sedation one of the doctors treating them also confirmed that he saw the fight while driving home from a night call okay so the two of them Gonzales and Pons they were taken to the hospital because they were attacked Gonzales को त चोट पनि लागेको थियो they were attacked and त्यो हस्पिटलमा जुन चाहिँ डाक्टर थियो त्यो डाक्टरले पनि के भनेछ अरे yes I also saw the aliens उनीहरू जोसँग झगडा परिरहेको थियो बिकज त्यो डक्टर पनि त्यति बेला त्यही बाटोदेखि जाँदै थियो सो आई अल्सो स भनेर भन्दैछ नि सो प्याराग्राफ नम्बर 11 In Kansas, USA, Ronald Johnson, a 16-year-old, was tending sheep with his dog on the evening of November 2nd, 1971. He suddenly saw a mushroom-shaped object with multicolored lights covering its students. Actually, let's continue this paragraph number 11 in the next part. Okay, I don't want to make a long video so that त्यो हुन्छ नि भिडियोको टाइम देख्दा नै अम्बो यस्तो लामो भिडियो हेर्दिनँ भन्ने खालके चाहिँ नहोस् म्याक्सिमम आई विल किप इट अप टु लाइक 10 to 11 minutes. Okay, so we'll do this in the next part. अलिकति मात्रै उब्रेको छ. Okay, so please be with me and wait for the next part. Okay, so take care.